Hi everyone, my name's Katie. I am a big Cottonwood Canyon. It's a beautiful day, and we're going to practice Bastrika breath, which means bellows breath, for about 5 minutes. So this is a really good breathwork exercise to do when you just need to find your center, maybe calm some anxiety, and just reconnect to yourself and your breath. So we'll do it 5 times, and each time we'll do 20 rounds. So the breath itself looks like this. We'll start with our hands right next to our shoulders. When we inhale, we'll reach up, spread our fingers, and when we exhale, we'll pull our arms down and make fists. It's in and out through your nose, and see if you can breathe all the way down from your belly. So it looks like this. You can make those sounds as you exhale if you want to as well. All right, so 20 times, 5 rounds. Start by just sitting nice and tall. Exhale all your air out, and if you want to, you can close your eyes. But since we're in this beautiful place, you probably want to keep them open. And let's bring our hands up to our shoulders, make fists, and exhale to empty one more time. And here we go, friends. Last one, and release. Sit for about 20 seconds, and we'll begin again. So just feel whatever there is to feel. Soften through your face, elongate through your spine. Bring your hands up to your shoulders, make fists. Exhale your breath out. And reach up, here we go. Three, 2, 1, let it go. About 20 seconds, just rest. Feel, soak in the residue. 3 more times, just like that. Bring your hands to your shoulders, make fists, exhale in your breath. Here we go. Focus on that sound. If you're making it, let it come all the way down from your gut. Reach up and pull down as you exhale. Keep it going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Rest. Soak it in. And 2 more, we're almost there, friends. Hands to your shoulders, make your fists, exhale. And here we go. Strong exhales. In and out through your nose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Soak it in. Notice. You got our final round. Bring your hands to your shoulders, even with your shoulders. Make your fists. Exhale all your air out. Here we go. Reach. You don't have to make those sounds, but maybe try it just for fun. See what comes out. Maybe you grunt. Maybe it's a higher pitch sound. That's fine. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. Let's see how you feel. Slow, deep breaths, coming back to just the energy inside of you. Feel it flowing, your breath flowing. Thank you so much for joining me for bellows breath.